Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to add a title to your Instagram page or your Instagram account. So let's suppose you've seen some accounts, they are professional accounts, and you see that they got some title there such as content creator or artist or musician or something like that. So how are you going to add that to your Instagram account? So in this video I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app, and after they go to your profile, this is a demo account that I created for this tutorial or this channel's purpose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on edit account, and once I click on edit account, this window will pop up, and if you see there's an option called switch to professional account. Basically, when you switch to a professional account, you can add the title to your account. There is another way to approach this apart from this one. If this one isn't available at your place for some reason, what you need to do is you need to cancel this and go back to your profile, and after that, on the top right corner beneath the battery icon, you'll see the three dashes. Click on three dashes and this window will pop up. Now what you gotta do is you gotta go to account, right? Click on account and then scroll down. Now if you scroll down, you're gonna see that there's an option. That option is called switch to professional account, right? Best describes you. So what is this basically is you gotta select the profession or the field what you work in, or basically you are professional in, right? So I'm gonna go and select one, and once I click on one of these, you're gonna see that there is an option that comes on the top of that search category, that is display on profile. So basically I have digital creator, so if I basically toggle this on, it's going to be displayed on my profile. If I toggle it off, it's not going to show up on my profile. So I'm going to toggle it on, and after that what's going to happen is I'm going to click on done, and it says you're going to switch to professional account. I would say okay, and after that a bit of a loading. It might take 30 seconds or more, but yeah, then it's going to welcome you to this. Let's say, are you a creator or are you a business? Basically you're going into professional account mode, so you're going to select that. You're going to select the creator, and after that what you're going to do is you're going to complete, it's going to tell you the 4 basic steps. That's like grow your audience, complete your profile, introduce yourself. Is basically adding your bio, your pictures and stuff and everything like that. So once you go through them, after that you can go through them, or you can just press the cross button on the top right corner, and then you come up in your profile and you can see that you got the title there on your profile. So that's how you add title to your Instagram page or Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.